Okay, good morning from Primary 3. How are you today? I hope you all doing fine and healthy at home. So today is our lesson 4 for maths. Last week we have been learning about the measuring capacities using beakers, jugs, and today we are going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide capacities. Okay, I tried to explain some examples from your textbook in doing the calculation with the capacities. I hope you are ready with your textbook, Math Textbook 3B. So along the video, you can also check your textbook to complete some of the strategies that I explained in the video. I hope this video can help you to learn at home. Okay, thank you. Good morning, Primary 3. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of capacities. Okay, so let's start with the addition first. In adding the capacities, we need to follow two steps. So you have to remember these two steps. The first step is add the milliliters. Okay. And the second one, after you add the milliliters, you need to add the liters. Okay, so I'm going to give you one example. Maybe after you read the textbook, you will understand about the addition. But in this occasion, I'm going to give you one example of how to add capacities. Okay, so there is a bottle which has the capacity is 1 liter and 250 milliliters, and the bottle, let's say this is bottle A, and bottle B, the capacity is 1 liters and 400 milliliters. Now the question will say, what are the capacities of bottle A and B? So if you are finding all together, in this case, remember we need to do addition. We start from the step 1. Remember, step 1, we need to add the milliliters. So the symbol, we just copy it down, and then we start from the units. 0 and 0, 5 and 0, 2 and 4 will be 6. So we're done with the milliliters. Now we continue with the liters. So we just copy the symbol, and 1 add by 1 equal 2. So the capacities of bottle A and B is 2 liters and 650 milliliters. Now we go to the next one, is doing subtraction. Okay. Bottle C is 4 liters and 940 milliliters. Bottle D is 3 liters and 800 milliliters. Now, what is the difference of bottle C and D? If you are finding the difference, we need to do subtraction. Okay, so remember the two steps is we need to subtract the milliliters first, and next after we subtract the milliliters, we will go to liters. Okay, so let's start from the first step, subtracting the milliliters. Remember to write down the symbol, and then we start from the units, the tens and hundreds. Okay, so 0 subtracted by 0 will be 0. 4 subtracted by 0 will be 4. 9 subtracted by 8 equals to 1. And then we're done with the milliliters. Now we subtract the liters. Okay, remember to write the symbol, and then we go to the numbers. 4 subtracted by 3 equal 1. So the difference between bottle C and bottle D is 1 liter and 140 milliliters. Now we are going to learn how to do multiplication for the capacities. Okay, if you see the textbook, your textbook page 121, on the try this, there is a question. The capacity of a barrel is 9 times the capacity of a bottle. Now, if the capacity of the bottle is 3 liters, find the capacity of the barrels. Okay, so if you are comparing, this is B for barrels and small lowercase b for bottle. If the capacity of the barrel is 9 times of the bottle, then the question asks you to find the capacity of the barrels, so you need to do multiplication. Okay, so the capacity of the barrels is 9 times 3 liter. Okay, or if you still remember about multiplication, 9 times 3 liters, so 9 added by 9 and added by 9, so 9 3 times, so 9 times 3 equal, yes, 27. Okay, so the capacity of the barrel is 9 times 3 liter or equal to 27 liters. Okay, primary 3, now we go to the division with the capacities. Okay, please look at your book, textbook, page 122. We are going to do the try this. If you don't have your textbook, please listen. I'm going to read the questions for you. An ink bottle has a capacity of 54 milliliters. Peter transferred all of the ink into some similar small jars. He completely filled 6 small jars. What is the capacity of each small jar? So in doing division, sometimes you can do just divide the numbers when you have read the word problems, or if you want to make sure, you also can do with the bar. So remember, you need to do it with the ruler sometimes, or if you don't have ruler, you can just draw the line. So remember, imagine that this is all of the capacity, 54 milliliters. Now they fill the 6 jars. So I'm going to divide this bar into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If all of the jars is 54 milliliters, and what is the capacity of 1 jar? So sorry, I'm going to do this. What is the capacity of 1 jar? So the whole is 54. One part it's divided into 6. Now we will do 54 divided liters. 54 milliliters divided by 6 equal. Okay, so remember your multiplication table. Anyone knows? So 54 milliliters divided by 6 is, yes, correct, 9 milliliters. So the answer, the capacity of 1 small jar is 9 milliliters. Okay, thank you.